Check out the latest budget phone of the year, the NUU N10, in the links below. All right, welcome back. So when I downloaded and installed Lubuntu, a great lightweight system, I needed Kdenlive to edit the videos. So I went to Kdenlive's website, and as you can see for Linux, they officially have an app image or Flatpak to download. I believe you can do this in the terminal as a deb file and snaps and all that stuff. So I downloaded the app image. Now, normally after you download the app image, you right-click to Properties, Permissions, make the file executable, hit OK, double-click, and it should be good to go. However, when I did that, it's working now, but when I did that before, it did not work for me. It was missing a fuse. Close, but that's not the fuse we need. We need something called a libfuse 2T64. Now what it says here in the Synaptic Package Manager, file system and user space fuse is a simple interface for user space programs to export a virtual file system in the... Oh, just forget it. Why can't they just say you need this freaking thing for app images? See, this is why Windows users get so pissed off. It's too complicated. Anyway, Kdenlive works, as you can see. So what I'm trying to say here is that if you install this package in the Synaptic Package Manager, and you can do this in the terminal if you want. You don't have to. See, my favorite terminal is the Orlando International Airport. It's a great place for sightseeing for single guys. If you do this, and I think I rebooted, I can't remember, Kdenlive should launch. That's all I have for this one. I'll catch you on the next one.